is Shwan Das. I am studying in Uttarakhand, Dehradun. I am currently in class 12 and I'm studying in Doon International School, Riverside campus. So I started for JEE preparations 2 years ago, and I started a few months late compared to others. So I was looking for some offline institutes, but there were many students in every batch and it was very crowded. So I preferred to have a coaching which is more focused on every student and it's not so crowded. So I had a private tutor too, but I realized JEE needs specialized teacher for every subject and focused attention, a teacher who specializes in different fields. So for that, I was looking online and I found IIT Guide. It's a JEE community and a coaching center which is based online. So I joined the Vijayata 2-year program, Super Premium Package, and ever since then I've been constantly attending regular live classes on Zoom. And also if you happen to miss any class, we always have recorded lectures which is available at all times. So it's been 2 long years and I have been attending the classes. And the main advantage I would say of attending online classes is that it saves a lot of time. If you go to an offline center, a lot of time goes in traveling, in your bag, traveling and all. In an online coaching like IIT Guide, all you have to do is click a button and you can join the class. And there are other features too which then online classes such as PPTs and other notes and all which they show the animations. So that always helps. Also another thing which I really liked about package which I've taken and the IIT Guide coaching is that there are less than 10-15 students every batch. So there's lots of focused attention on every student and you can form a really good bond with the teachers and have a level of understanding and one-to-one coaching. I mean, every teacher knows the other student, their strengths, their weaknesses, and we have a personal connection with the teachers which helps us to, improve better than it would have been. Also, they have a regular test series which happens every fortnight. And the level of tests, the level of questions are good. We have analysis. It's on a different app, so it's a bit specialized. So that's another great thing. And there's also a doubt solving system. And one very important thing is we have beautiful mentoring classes. And the head mentor, he's a really, really friendly person. And honestly, you can share anything with him. And he takes it with an open mind. And he's very young too, so he can connect with us. And he's given me personally many tips, which has helped me a lot. And I'm sure it would help me a lot in the future too. And it does not have to be academic. Many times he takes classes or sessions which are non-academic things, how to manage stress, how to make a perfect schedule which is not only study orientated, and how to prepare holistically. So he's available most of the time. I mean, all the time you can contact him on WhatsApp, and he really puts in a lot of effort and cares for every student. So that was a thing which stood out for me compared to other institutes, and it's really helping me right now too. And most importantly, the teachers are amazing. They are really good. They make all my concepts really clear, and I'm lucky to have them. They are very experienced too. Most of the teachers have experience of 10, 20, 30 years even. So it's really helpful for us. They know what to teach, what not to teach, what to give more emphasis on it. So it's really helped me a lot. All the concepts were really clear. So yeah, I think because of all these reasons, and I'm sure there are more, but give it time frame. These are the things which came up in my mind. And honestly, because of all this alone, I would recommend IIT Guide to any student, any aspirant of JEE. Yeah, so I hope this helps you, and I definitely recommend IIT Guide to any JEE aspirant. Thank you.